In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a new incident. From the dashboard landing page, click Incidents to view existing incidents or create a new one. Click the plus button to create a new incident. Then select the incident template you would like to use. The incident templates available are determined by your organization's configuration. Enter a name for the incident. Your organization may have specific naming conventions for incident titles. If so, be sure to follow your organization's established guidelines. Complete the incident information. The only fields required by the system are identified with a red asterisk. Depending on your organization's configuration, you may also need to enter additional information such as the incident date, incident type, tags, or other required details. Associate the student with the incident by beginning to type the student's name and selecting the correct student from the list that appears. If there was a target and/or witness, they can also be added. If the student does not appear, it is possible that a student record has not yet been created. A student profile must exist before it can be associated with an incident. If desired, add one or more tags to help organize and locate the incident later. Begin typing a tag to search for existing tags. If the tag already exists, select it from the list. To create a new tag, continue typing the desired tag and press Enter to save it. Configure the permissions for the incident. By default, permissions mirror those of the incident creator. If additional users or groups require access, add them here before saving the incident. Review the incident information for accuracy. When you are finished, click Save to create the incident. Your new incident has now been created. The incident will automatically open. The incident contains widgets that can be edited as needed. If updates are needed, click the pencil icon within the appropriate widget to edit the information. The Overview widget contains general information about the incident. The Details widget can be utilized to add additional details that aren't captured within the overview. The Photos/Documents widget displays all photos and documents that have been added to the incident. The Linked Data widget displays information associated with the incident. For example, if a case has been linked to the incident, it will appear in this widget. Use the Annotations widget to add notes to the incident as needed. The Activity log provides a history of actions performed within the incident. You can return to the incidents list at any time to review or update the incident as additional information becomes available.